Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto Cube, and I have a big one for you today. All right, this is Cash App. A lot of people use Cash App to transfer money, but there are a lot of people out there that don't realize that you can use Cash App to invest in Bitcoin and also in the stock market. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to invest. All right, so as you can see, I have zero money in my Cash App, none, but I did attach a debit card to my Cash App. So if you want to invest, you either have to have money in your Cash App balance, or you have to have a bank debit card attached to your account. So let's get started here. All right. And just so you know, I am no financial expert. This is for informational purposes only. All right. So if you look down at the bottom on the right hand side, you see the little squiggly arrow. That's your stock market tab. We're not going to be talking about that. We're going to go over to the far right, and there's a Bitcoin button. You tap on that, and as you can see, I have $9.65 in Bitcoin that I purchased today. It's instantaneous when you buy Bitcoin. And the thing about it, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, because one Bitcoin is right now $41,000 and $890. $41,890. So, that's a chunk of change right there that most people don't have. So you can buy any amount, any share, any fractional share of that amount. And so if you look down on the bottom left hand side, there are blue buttons. You click on the far left buy button, right? And you can enter any amount you want. You can go with $1, $10, $20, up to $100, or you can click on the little three buttons or three dots and enter any amount you want. So let's just say you want to invest $18 into Bitcoin. And I'm not going to go through the motion of investing that, because that's not what I'm doing right now. But this is how easy it is. You enter the amount, you hit the next button, and then it just asks you to confirm the amount you're entering. That's it. It shows up in your investment portfolio immediately. That's how simple it is. That's it. Now, I will do more videos that will talk about selling Bitcoin as well and cashing out. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to invest in this video. Let's take baby steps here. So if you're a beginner and you are just now learning about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, I think this is the best platform for you to get started. Like I said, start off with $10, $20, whatever you can afford. Don't use any money that takes food off your table or, keeps the bills from getting paid. You just want to use money you have laying around that you don't need for bills. All right. So I will, like I said, do more videos like on the other platforms I use as well. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. There will be more on the way, and I hope you have a good rest of the week.